We almost didn't launch our new Curl Defining Mousse. Let's start from the beginning. So we got DMs and comments from you guys. We want a mousse. And we just kept getting them. And then they started accumulating. We contacted our team and said we needed to make a mousse as soon as possible. So we got to work.
We went with about 20 different versions of the mousse.
You heard that? 20 different versions. We wanted to make sure that we had the perfect formula. Sometimes we didn't like the scent or the foam. Here's the perfect one, and here's the watery one. We kept trying, and then we found the one. We wanted to make sure that our formula was perfectly suited for wavy hair, curly, and coily hair types. Design-wise, we had over 30 designs, and we had so many to choose from. We chose one, and we decided that this one was gonna be a final one, but
we just sent this into production. Honestly, this is just not giving. You saw this, would you be proud? We like it.
It set us back months, but the light bulb came through. We decided what we wanted, and then we got our final look. We did the final designs, and then we got to print, and we started to work. The magic was doing its thing. The final, and it's officially completed. All we needed is just delivery.
You confirmed the final delivery for the mousse.
And you won't believe what happened next. It arrived on time.
So excited to share with you our new Curl Defining Mousse.